In this video, I'm going to show you how to change a YouTube video quality. Now, if at the moment your internet is bad and it just can't load up a video, here's what you need to do. So open up the video, and once the ad loads, here's what you need to click. You need to click on the top right and then click on quality. Now from here you can choose auto. It basically adjusts to give you the best experience for your conditions, and in my opinion is the best because it knows how much data you're receiving and what output you should get. But if you click on advanced, then you can choose whatever of these you want. So 2K, full HD and other resolutions. There's also like higher picture quality, which uses more data, or lower picture quality that lowers picture quality and uses less data. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.